Yeah, man, I have to teach them, make them know so the message I reach them, you know. All over the world, you know. And this is not special, you know, this is custom, you know. So listen me, man. Computer, we have the computer. Listen, teach them now with the computer. Computer, go get the computer. Take and teach them now with the computer. Figgy, figgy, boy. Catch him every kid, teach him every corner. Tell your computer roll up Jamaica, teach him.
I am here vibing with one of dancehall music's foundation DJs. His parents named him Raymond Crawford, but we know him as
Uglyman.
Father Ugly.
Yeah.
All is well, sir?
Yeah, man.
The man out blinging.
Yeah, man.
Ready for the singing.
Yeah, man. Prepare to teach them, you know.
Bad thing, man. Give thanks for that, brother. It's a joy.
Yeah, man. Like him, man. You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks.
I share him, man.
The man full of ring like an Olympic symbol.
Yeah, man. A real thing, man. We have to keep up to the image.
Bad thing, man.
Yeah,
Bad thing, man. Bad thing.
Bad son, you teach them with the bad son. You say what? Bad son, you teach them with the bad son. Teach them. Lick over sound like I'm a tractor. Dub them a fly like a bulldozer. Them a swim like a boat out of blue water. Mix up teach them now with the night rider. Bad son, you taking the bad son, yeah. Taking teach them now with the bad son, yeah. So bad son, you teach them the bad son, yeah. We a run over sound like a bulldozer.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So Father Crawford, you say all is well, sir?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
You know the man been away from a all the time.
What?
At the right time.
Yeah,
now.
become like a Christmas for me.
It's going like a Christmas
Yeah,
here.
man.
We're glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Pleased to hear that. Talk to us though.
Yeah,
Early
man.
life.
Yeah.
Place of birth.
Born at Lakespan, I go to Chedigo Park.
Oh, cool, man. Cool,
Yeah,
cool,
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
How many brothers and sisters?
You know, say, at 13, and we are 7 girls.
7 girls.
Yeah, I balance a peer boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
7 girls and 6 boys.
Yeah.
And all the brothers and sisters are still
What
alive.
are we at Crawford?
Yeah, man. And, what on
Yeah,
Crawford?
yeah.
And for same mother?
Yeah,
all
man.
They have the same
Yeah, man.
mother?
Yeah, man.
Mad thing,
And my
man.
father, they're young too.
Daddy passed young?
Yeah, man.
How old were you at the time?
At 17 when them passed.
17.
Yeah.
The old lady still around?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks,
Yeah,
sir.
man.
Glad to hear
Yeah,
that. Actually, I do well.
Yeah, man, and they post her up all for her birthday one day.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah.
Nice, man. And all the brothers and sisters still around?
Yeah.
Give thanks. Where the man attended school, though?
St. Catherine, I'm born and
Yeah.
Catholic and Barracks.
Barracks?
Yeah, me and Diana Kinley go to school, you know.
Yeah, Diana Kinley
Phyllis
go
still
school.
go to school. Patrick still go to school too, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which school at?
Catholic school at
Catholic-
Spanish school, yeah.
Oh, I said Barracks.
Yeah.
And that then became...
That was the only 2 schools in St. Catherine, Catholic and Barracks.
And Barracks became...
Secondary.
Secondary. Spanish on secondary.
Yeah.
Mad, I think Daddy Meeks.
Yeah,
told me
man.
about
Well,
it recently.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, what was it like, though, growing up from a financial perspective?
Well, me not lie, we grew up poor and them things still, you know. Yeah, man, we grew up very poor and them things, but you see, when you're born for something,
Yeah.
you're born for something, you don't say, oh, that's the work, one day I go make it.
Yeah.
Because them, you know, my mother and my father used to lay in the house, you know. And then I had me missing and them, you know.
Yeah, I know.
But they had a town. I want a record store, the man they did name Rupee Edwards.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I great and go to England. Then time I Errol don't clap her,
Yeah,
14
Errol
years
apart.
old, yeah.
Yeah?
And
But before we reach around this still,
Yeah.
at what age or stage will you start develop a love for the
Well,
thing?
that
like?
now, I'm glad you come to that point there. Because you see when we are youth now, we used to go, we're glad when one sound string up like how we did to play. Because you know, say, from a year sound to now, we are going there. See me and my thing that, I go there and I must hold the mic.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so we start, unless I start, hold mic and I mash up the whole place. Sometimes we there some country DJ, you know. And
And you said this was when you were around what?
like me, like 18, 19 and then
Okay.
years
Before you
old.
say you're Errol used to park when you're 14.
He man, we have been a part of my youth before him even do the song then.
Okay.
The time we meet, because when I left from St. Catherine, I go to town. Them time I had, you know, say all that shilling pan bus. And I reach a town, a record shop. I don't know nobody at town and a record shop, but I just find Rupee to that one. for Orange Street. And I start hang off there. Start DJ sound all about Jamaica, all about the country.
Yeah.
Sometimes I go DJ and my mother see me come home and say, yo, you dirty up, so you don't come with your body. Mash up and dance, you know.
Yeah.
Then I get the body, you
So
know.
which was the first sound you actually worked out?
Yeah, man, I touch a pint there when I hear, you know. Yeah, man, this have a little sound in my place name. Mystic Vibration.
Mystic Vibration.
Yeah, man.
That's a Trediga?
Yeah. So, my little virgin playing Jimbo and he goes some place. And I never just start out tonight, you know.
Right.
And I go whip a place and I mash up a place. I get too big now for his sound. So, so I made a big sound one, you know. So come to meet all Johnny one day, because every sound I go up and John, little John dey pan you know.
Every sound?
Every sound. Class 1, African root. Name me sound them. I turn down a St. and St. Elizabeth, all about the sound them there. So me and John have buck up long time and I dance all and I mash up dance and them something there. You see
But
me?
even before you started the sound thing though, who were your musical influences? Like, who you hear a DJ or see a DJ and say, no, I want to do that DJ something?
My favorite DJ them time was Big Youth.
Big Youth?
Big Youth, man. I used to love him. You see, in chant and him, the psalms and them thing there, reality. Yeah, I used to like him because right now, I reality part of music I like.
Okay.
You see me?
So you say many songs?
Yeah, man.
Anywhere the sound them there?
Yeah, man.
You did it?
Yeah, man.
So were you actually resident on any sound like at this or
No,
your
not
sound?
them time there. We just a move on because we are trying to make a name.
Oh.
Yeah. And you see me? Because them time we are DJ all about it. We not get no pay, you know. We not get no, sometimes come home dirty, you know, no food, no nothing, you know. Nothing. Country, you know. My mother said, no, sir. You see me? But it pay off.
Yeah. So you kept on doing the sound system.
Yeah.
And develop your craft and stuff.
Yeah, man.
When you actually settle down around a sound still and I say, I'm home this, that never happened.
Yeah, man, they did that, man.
It did happen?
Yeah, man, I come to the point now. It's like, with the Spanish son, so some a youth now come from with him, Michael Brown. Say, I bring me a town that are up across road, Swallowfield. So I carry up on one son named El Mundo.
El Mundo?
Yeah. So when we go up on the sound now, I'm a lyrical tiger. Noel Rado and you Alfred Crawford, that's my little brother. And I have a next little brother named Steve Wessing.
What do you mean little brother? Biological brother?
Yeah, I'm older than them. But we come from music family, you know.
Okay.
My mother, we get a singing family.
Oh,
so we go
never know say your brothers have in the music. Some of your brothers have in the music too.
Yeah, man. I have a niece, right now she at tour.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I told me remember her singing name for tell her, because you know her now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, she at tour right now.
Remember her name? Okay,
yeah, I remember her singing name, you see me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Remember before we done still.
And then...
So El Mundo was...
A big sound.
Big sound.
Then kind of stitch it in the pan stereo one.
Okay.
So we drop on El Mundo uptown now. So when we go uptown now, you know, youth them a Mountain View a war, Salafield youth them a war, and Bundy Lane youth them a war. See me? We make Mall Road, and the whole of man them, Nannyville man them, and the whole of them, because you know Salafield like
Right.
So we make a whole of man them stop war, you know.
Peace.
You see Friday night time when the sun swing up, you know, pull up back till Monday man, you know, because I play for Friday, so right back to Sunday. You know. And then I mash down, I'll kick down on them thing there.
Yeah.
You know. So now, it's like, so now go on and a combination now with me and Tiger now, you know. Everybody I come out to see too, you know.
Lyrical Tiger.
Yeah, because them lyrical me and Tiger, people them come out to see, you know.
Oh.
Because them time they are compete, every man bad for his sound, you know. And woman want to know who bad and who, you know.
Yeah.
See me? And no man better than them. Like a pay fire kick up and everywhere we go with the sound. We make we name all a band fountain. When we got a band fountain, a band yeah. Make we name up there.
El Mundo, you know, anything I build. You develop a craft.
So I'm going to show you a thing nice now.
Yeah, what?
How we get to start our career now. We look a bit from Roosevelt Avenue, where the Bob statue there. And you know a Salafield there, so it sound big and heavy, you know. When the sound sing up weekend and I play, Harry J there in the studio here way.
Oh.
So Max you them come from Salafield say, which man them there mash up a place? So and you, what the youth name Spreckle now, them used to work around there and print record, you know. So I say, some youth want Spanish town, you know. I create stamina, you know. So I'm sorry, Jay must tell them to come for way.
Oh.
Yeah, man. And one Monday now, I already send come call me. You see me? I'm going and I hear computer rhythm I play. But him say everybody when put on the rhythm, no voice, no
Alright, all the computer rhythm.
Yeah.
Verse.
Yeah.
At that time, were you going by the name Uglyman?
Yeah, man,
already?
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Because I never Uglyman me the name.
Right.
Me the name Pleasure Rankin.
Say that again?
Pleasure Rankin.
Pleasure Rankin.
Yeah.
Oh, you get that name the first though before we reach on to that side.
All right. Pleasure Rankin or Uglyman?
No, Pleasure Rankin.
No, Pleasure Rankin is my original DJ name when I give myself
And
that
you
name
give yourself the name?
But Uglyman I know, me give myself that name there. I'm going to tell you a story now.
Tell me.
Me go and not to be a go DJ Power Sound here, VJ Dub Master.
DJ Dub Master, yeah.
So, me go there, I dance now, you know. And me hear some man a walk around, you know. I'm not to be here now. Me get afraid, you know. The man them a saying, I want bad sound this, but I hope the DJ bad. Because we are beating tonight, you know. Any man come on this a sound here tonight, I no good, we are beat. Me get tremble. So, you know, so me go in there, them time that the truck park out that door, you know. Me go in there, truck go hide, you know. Because man say last week, we mash up one sound up here, man, I'll find in the sea, you know.
Yeah.
So me come out of the land, brother, and go hide in the truck. You see, when the sound in the night now, when the dance a lick, VJ get mad, I walk up and down and look for me, because he can't find me, I come find me in the truck. I say, come here, DJ, you think you're going to make them out get you out? Brother, so I go back in the land, I never forget, you know. You see, when the sound play first tune, I'm holding mic and do first tune, the man then lift me up in the ear and say, you know, go back up on the sound, you know. And then time me feel it.
Confidence.
I tell you, man, I see the night, I first me know say green plant can make look like dumpling. The man then find some dumpling out of the there and some coffee tea and some greens. But when they touch all the toast, sit and go down and dance, ram of people, you know. And the man then say, all of them out there say for Uglyman, you know. Because I name Uglyman, I pleasure me did name.
Oh, so them just see us.
So the man just say, you're Uglyman, your name, you know, you know. So see you up at town and company shop.
Yeah.
And then come back with me now at town. I mean, I like your name, you know.
You ain't like it here.
You make it full of your name, you know. Because we have a good outfit today. Harry said, come call me.
Yeah.
Because you come for me, you know. And you know what I'm saying? And call me now. So when you call me now, I'm going down and hear the rhythm. You see me, yeah, rhythm I play. And I say, what a bad rhythm this,
That's
man.
a RJ's cut off the slang thing.
Yeah, because me
Computer rule rhythm.
yeah, me never. Because me first go on it, you know.
You was the first artist.
Yeah. Because him say put every man in pan it. No man can voice a tune for him, man. No. So I say, yes, me
Well,
bad.
so this was the first time you actually go a recording studio?
Yeah, man, that first time I go in I go in a studio before, you know, but that first time
but you never voiced before?
No, I get that experience, you know. And you know what, sir? Not tell you, it was a Monday me do this song. You know, so me not expect for no song release so quick. Well, you know, so me no left town. So in the Tuesday now, we do it, me you know.
Monday
me do this song, you know. I say Wednesday morning, see I used to walk up in a solar field with a record that a spin on his finger and like so come straight in a Mundo yard. And say Mundo go sing up his sound and play that song. You know, so when Mundo turn on the sound in the idea, the sound couldn't turn back. Turn
off again.
I want you to play right back till night.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, for that man, I tell you, man, I know it sang the good enough, because I sang the number one, you know. No place, I let the song, they make me tour it and night, and I sang and got enough place.
Alright, we soon talk about some of the songs.
Yeah,
I want to
man.
talk about the computer now. There was a thing after computer release between Pompidou.
Yeah.
Pompidou say Uglyman, thief in style,
No.
Rockstone voice.
Yeah, well, no.
I saw
You
you go and I
cannot
saw you
thief
go.
a man's voice.
You can't, no, not in voice, in style.
No. Because me versatile. Me not got this, man, my virgin.
Right.
But in my versatile life, me a versatile, man. You know, when you're versatile,
Yeah.
but well gifted and talented, you know. Me can sing good too, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Can sing good, man. I'm a good performer too. Put me on the stage, man.
Your place.
Yeah, I'm a man. Me like entertain people. You say me guys show me see a little bit of me go hide, you know. Me like when me look, man, and me see people
Full.
like, yes, man. Then time me perform, man.
Yeah.
You see me, all who name box out camera, you know, and
Camera
phone,
come out
everything
now.
have to pop off box out, you know. And them have to come up all the stage, you know, and them things, you know, because so we know it.
Uglyman at work.
Yeah, so we know it. And we know in a bag of talking and pull up and waste people time.
DJ
We just,
business.
from come for work,
Right.
we just got pilation and song, you see me?
Yeah, so talk to me about the computer versus Rockstone situation.
All right, I know, back to you now.
Yeah.
In 1985, him do a tune name. Jiggly, 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 let if you know.
Rockstone vibe.
Yeah. He
Governor
must say my
General.
first, but me no look. This a man no look pretty to them thing there. See me, cause we don't know which one of we song I play first before that, cause we're actually both in the same time.
Okay.
But my song took off more than film song. Me get famous more than them. Anyway, me go a Uglyman.
Uglyman.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Me go to some place got the AJ and me go there and people say, go back home. Me go to Bermuda and place there, you know. 6 months me get to know. And 1 year me stay, you know. Every morning immigration come and say, you got to go home, Mr. Crawford. I say, I want 1 more day and then gone and then because I never know what's happening immigration,
Walk
quiet
over.
talk. And that's what them man, so true they come to me so soft and them thing there. Me go and stay, say, whole of Bermuda love me, you know. So I just say thing that's so right there, so. And a whole part thing we have to talk about, you know.
Yeah, we don't talk about it, but we don't got up yet, man.
Because I have to tell a story about music and my lifestyle.
We want to
how
hear
we
all
do
of that,
it.
man. We want
You
to
see
hear
me?
all of that. So Computer was actually the first song you voice.
Yeah.
And immediate it
Yeah,
song.
you go number one.
Number one.
But it take about one, I tell you too. It take about, even 6 weeks it take.
It was 6 weeks.
Because you know them time they are Barry G, you know.
Right.
And every time Barry G come on, you know, him have to play out 5-6 times before him take off, you know. You see me? Them time the Barry G don't know me, you know. Them time the Barry G don't know me.
Them just play the tune.
Yeah, man, I just sit down every night, every Friday night, we just listen Barry G. And when the man meet me, man, a joy.
Jai.
Yeah, man, you know, my friend call me upon when time, you know, I go outdoor. Yeah, man, and we are dealing with the thing proper.
Yeah.
You see me?
Before we talk about the song still, whilst you were on El Mundo, the song, right? You ever involved in any clash showdown with any other song?
Yeah, man, I want to tell you, too, you know, we make enough sound like us, you know, because I never want easy sound, you
I
know.
never was.
I don't want easy sound, man. And you are with it, too. See, anyway to play, you have like 1 4 or 5 bus, then the bus can't pay a woman. Because you know what town
good bus
stay.
them,
Yeah,
man.
man, they can't pay a woman. Man bus them different.
Yeah, I know, man. We don't visit with them.
Yeah, man, human bus them, man. Always pack. Because anyway over there, them want, the girl, them want there. Georgia Green and them girls always play for Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Where they DJ them to follow away, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
bad thing.
Yeah, man.
So give me some of the sound on the lock off now, man.
I will pass on the
What
turn
am I
off,
sound?
man. No feed that sound, man. we just perform.
Yeah.
Because you see, you them nowadays, I love them still in the boat. You see, the road of them dep on the wrong track. Right now, I love them, you know. Because music makes something, enough of them not do bad things.
True that.
And they go astray. But send the right message to the people them. You understand?
True
The
that.
people them, it's at this interview here. A million of people wait for the interview here now. Million a year now. Some people say Uglyman dead. Man I ask the Uglyman a fine and I say, oh, like the boy them at Jamaica man, I climb tree. Because them not do them research, we know about the artist.
Yeah. They never know you know, man.
Yeah, man, a man ever clicking. Me never leave music 1 day yet.
Never leave music.
Yeah, man, I see that man over there, so. I'm a part of God in my life, in my career.
Yeah, Little John.
Yeah, look at John. And anywhere in the world, ask him. Anywhere in the world, me go. And I did that for too long, and family member Little John, that place is missing me.
Back home.
Yes, man. If you find him anywhere, you know what I want inquire every day.
Every day the war
You
acquired.
can't let that man an inch. 'Cause right now, I make me get an interview.
Which is true.
Right?
Guys, I teach them.
Yeah, man. And teach them to come like bad artists, but with bad artists. You know?
True that. True that. So Computer drop it out and Uglyman name sir Bill Road.
Yeah, so they must say they want an album. They must say they want an album now. So the second song, I don't know. It took off like magic.
What that?
Night Rider.
Night Rider.
Yeah,
But
cause
before we take on Night Rider, you didn't give me on a computer yet, sir.
yeah, you never
Give me
give
a couple
up.
bars out there, man.
And I say, computer, the computer. Baby, go, baby, boy, yeah. That go, that is nice, boy, yeah. The papa, and they gone pan shoulder. Right on everything like a night. My boy sweeter than Pompidou Vice. And spice and nice and everything.
Spice and nice, sir.
I'm a friend of them and
You know your friend, man, because I say enough time to come across.
yeah, man, me have to come go do him.
Computer
Yeah, man, you see me?
Yeah.
Cause right now, me have all work. I mean, good all for go for him, for him, make it, you see
Okay.
me? Yeah.
But your voice sweeter.
Yeah, man, my voice spicy, full of spice. You know when you cook, I have a whoop and the pot smells sweeter. I suffer with thing go on, man. For we thing are normal, you know. I hope I think I have to talk about, you know. Uglyman this, you know.
Yeah, man.
I say, world asked, where ugly DJ, Uglyman there. But sometimes we don't do research. You know, we Jamaican people, we don't read. We prefer look for a picture. I mean, a picture thing, you know. The picture can't say, you know. You say if you don't read, you have to read, because you have to have some little fine thing.
Yeah, man,
you have to read, man. You understand?
True,
you have to read, brother. Because I don't, you know.
Yeah.
And the day God to make me learn to read, you know. And I go, I find the DJ. And I say, me have 10 years. And I say, what are that 10 years? I get a look at that, so I go spend time with her till she reaches because I come down. So, in the sense of them out of the 10 years, them, the 7 years I find. So I say, you know, something I go around where you can I apply to go to school. But them get allowance and them thing, anyway upstate you want to go. So I say, I want to learn to read. And they send me to one place named Watertown. I'm come down every month and then give me money and them things. So that's how I go learn to read. You see, when I start write letters sent to my mother, them I show everybody in my family because they know me as a boy. when I have the computer, so I take me tape that you learn back your word there, but I can't read to read, you know.
Say that again, bro.
When I have the computer, sir, I tape me tape and I listen back your word there, because I can't read to write, so I sit there. So gifted and talented there. So I get the chance I say, I say, no, sir. I'm going to find learn to read, you know. Yeah, man, when I start writing my letter and put our signature upon it, man. There's everybody in that family, man. Yeah, man. You can't fool me with no word right now.
No, I'm glad to hear that, man. Respect that,
Yeah,
man. So, computer, and then you said the follow-up song to computer now.
Night Rider.
Night Rider.
Yeah.
And all of them early songs, they're RJ advice.
Yeah, man, RJ, I'm vice my song. I'm vice song for like Witty and July and them, man, about RJ are them, man. Because RJ are jealous boy, you know. You saw when time I promote them come up here, just scrap it, just a ton of them, you know. Come in the office. Me no want none of them around here, you know. But you see, sometimes when I broke hungry and want money.
Yeah, God.
No, man. We just go over all over Landville and get two pretty girls, one for lyrical and one for me. Because I know my style, you know.
Yeah.
When you see girl, I mean, kin teeth. I know what nobody, you know. You see girl, you would go, you see about the body, man. The man teach them, I like a thing, man. Because over the world, I teach them, you know.
Yeah, well, to give it
Yeah,
that,
man.
man. So we could go and talk about that. So, Night Rider, the next song we have to jump in.
Second song.
Which song that again?
Yeah, number one, you go.
Give us some of the song now. We're not
Yeah,
hiding
man.
a song. Because here we go on. You see sound man them.
Yeah.
They don't miss them
Yeah,
things either,
yeah,
brother.
man.
So give
I
it
look at them
couple
now.
more out of Night
All right,
Rider.
here I go on, you know. You see, in 1986, them came and show up on the TV near Night Rider, they can't talk.
Oh.
Yeah, man, they can't talk and you can't know Michael Knight, you know. Them, you know, like how Peter talk to Michael and them things.
Right,
and
right.
I sit down and I said, but them youth are nasty. Then they tell the trees have one two name, Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider.
Because that married used to play me and trees together back at one another side.
Okay.
So me then I house and I say, Night Rider? Yeah, man. So me start saying, Night Rider, this are the Night Rider. Night Rider, cockety Night Rider, wawa. Night Rider, we happy Night Rider. Night Rider, cockety Night Rider. It lick down wall like a bulldozer. The car fly over, move no like a helicopter. It bad pass straight, wicked round corner. You just press a red button the way you in the danger. Make it lick down wall like a bulldozer. And fly over, move no like a helicopter. The car bad pass straight, wicked road corner. A bike and light and the big drive. It in the night, right? I saw me get that the tune in. Yeah, man, and I go number one. And every pin I come from school, that's why I love youth, you know. Every little youth I come from school, I sing Night Rider. That time I feel like king, you know.
There's a thing where say, anytime a song I go hit, and when youth start
yeah, man, the whole of youth, them I sing a song I come from school, and I say, my God. I tell you, say, them computer and Night Rider, I go some places, and I meet some people, and get to know, say, love there. I go to Canada and some people give me a word for money, you know, I want big roaster so with pay silver and me like roast pay me after left, I can't keep on the plane. I want to sit down. Yeah, man, I want to sit down and give me money. I broke in the road and take out the money and then push it and pack it and left it. I can't keep on the plane. Yeah, man.
Bye.
Yeah, man.
So Night Rider, a tune come and clap again.
Yeah, man.
You were still DJing on El Mundo this time?
Yeah, man. When I do my album, I still a chat on the song.
Oh.
I mean, such a talas, but me left Elmona son, I'm be me go chat a son named Ghetto Magic.
Ghetto
Ghetto
Magic.
Phonic.
Ghetto Phonic.
Yeah, me go chat it. You see me?
You alone was on that song?
Yeah, me alone did a DJ pan it at the time.
Okay.
When me leave the sound now, to me have to go up on tour, Stitch and Son go up on it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Ghetto Magic.
Yeah.
Cool. So, Night Rider, which was the follow-up song to Night Rider?
Well, me have Gala when me love, she no love me. Gala when me love, she no love me. Cause she talk about me black and me too ugly.
Ugly love
She
for that,
said,
man.
yeah man, ugly love
Go on, sing the song,
yeah,
man.
man. She talk about me black and me too ugly. She said ugly man look pathetic pansy. She said she you know what me feel love that body. Boy, take out your thing and let's suck it tiny. Know me, take them out and put in ivory. Say all pretty girl have to run cover me. And I know any girl can really kiss me. Fine for me, but it can't pay vitamin. And when they kiss me, then get protein. And me sit and that after me go on with me do my album, you know. Me have a dance that keep out of the DPC. Tough ground and turby coffee be DMC. It sound where you play a jack fish high power. Who selecting the sound? If fish can flip a midnight attraction and daddy bladder entertainment. Why is that a sea maca? Crocodile start to dance with alligator. Lobster start to wine underneath Janga. I'm a killer and shot the two of them favor. But people that say the fish them a sister. So no fisherman no pass out a fish bar. The fish turn over boat round the sailor.
Fisherman style.
Yeah, man. A million violation of tune.
So watch out now. The album and the song where you DJ.
One of them just a chat for the
Ugly Lover, the song.
Yeah, but one of them the pan the album.
Yeah man, we know. And the album name is
Ugly Lover. Yeah.
And a RJ production.
Yeah man. Sunset Record, RJ label.
And some of the other songs on that are some of them are Allah.
Yeah, some are Ball, Easy No Man. Ride, Give Me Rhythm. Them songs that give me rhythm, jam me
right,
rhythm.
Give Me Rhythm.
Yeah, give me rhythm, you just jam me rhythm. You see me? The girl them about me ugly and me don't good looking. Me live in a the parish of St. Catherine. Me walk on rhythm, me talk on rhythm. Me do everything from the God of rhythm. No DJ no one day specialize in rhythm. Like Shanghai Shake Entertainment Boxing. But me is a youth ride and tell me about when I do last time.
We love the energy, brother.
When I do last, we don't play the brother.
We love the energy. Other song, everything gone boogie.
Yep.
It's another song for the album.
Yeah. But you know that song that too? Everything gone boogie. Insect get bright, gang go keep party. To them hear Papa San with animal party. And hear early be with one wheelie. Insect get bright, gang go keep party. But the sound where you play owned by Anasi. Me no like him friend that a tumblebee. Me regretful in the place him smell funny. Scorpions come stick never ready. Me can't take Waska him too jumpy. Him never did learn how to make the only. He can't follow bees anniversary. Did you fly the Wakanda with him passy? Tadpole in a water, bullfrog picking. Every day news bugger tell damn lie to me. But when me hand me go scratch me, I go get some money. Me best sparring P that a Penny Wally because I him bring the pretty light in the country. Yeah, me don't play with the thing, man.
Yeah. Album.
Yeah, man.
You want DJ whole album, look over.
Yeah, man. And you don't get nothing yet, you know.
Some of them are Allah, some of them are.
Yeah, you don't get nothing. And you know, me have a portion of news hanging in the 2000s.
Right. We soon come around to that one.
Yeah.
With the RG thing.
Yeah.
So the album was released on RG.
Yeah, 1985.
That's the only album you have done up to this day?
I have two albums.
What, the one with Little John?
Yeah, one with me and Little John.
Yeah. So that is the second one?
Yeah.
Right,
I'm not doing no more album from that.
You're not doing no more? Why?
But me the word for father. Because you see from marriage, you know, and me get to find out, so them a Gillan and them something there. But I say, when me get a good, how long it take me? Me wait till me get a good producer. People who really decide to do the thing as team and unite. Then we get good albums from me. Because me have them in a me, you know.
So also like say you don't really benefit greatly financially from Ugly
No,
Lover
'cause-
album.
no, because the producer them are Ginal and Thief. You know, saying at them time when we young guy, you know. We just glad for the tune, you know. We ain't worry about money, you know.
Just
we just
a work.
we want to make a name and them thing there, because we not pre-say, you see me, we just do the work. As some know say right now, what feel, it must be fear, you know. Because I not come to me if I win before me reach 100, you know. Because right now, I can't keep Pupa Lake on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I have my energy taking, you know. Yeah, man.
This is your full of energy,
Yeah,
said
man.
here, man. This is your
See
full
me?
of energy.
And when it comes to performing, intelligence and them thing there, that go with music.
Yes.
See me? We have to keep it thing up.
So that was
See
the
me?
first album, Ugly Lover.
Yeah, and then in next
Uglyman
album,
verse Little John.
Yeah.
How that come about though?
You know, sir, Little John I sing J. And we first sing J in Jamaica. Little John I first sing J in Jamaica. His name of the call, you know. He my first sing J in Jamaica, you know. Because them man, me hold on him boy, my record long time before me, you know. Because I used to listen to song them I play, you know. Never know, say all them time, me and Little John I go move so close, you know. So you see when we go RG, you know, and time them man they mash up road, you know. RG say, you know, sitting Uglyman bad and Little John bad, you know, that combination. You see me? Can you tell me before you do it, you know? And I tell you, the album, they're a normal album. Yeah, man, they're a normal album. Right now, we're not teaching.
You have song on it like we a sample.
Yeah, man. I just, what do you mean?
Donkey ride.
Yeah, man. Sit up in there.
Sit up in there.
Yeah.
Fix the stagger lad.
Yeah.
And don't mix we up.
Oh,
Those
Lord,
are-
I mean, a lyrical that.
Yeah, lyrical
Yeah,
lad.
combination there.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, a lyrical that, man. Because whenever you sleep one, you see me and Tiger and lyrical, people, you see me, and them not see them, I say, where lyrical there? Where Tiger there? I said, them used to deal with you know.
Okay.
Them used to mix up dignitary stylish now with lyrical.
Oh.
Because then take it two of them, anywhere them go. When they see stylish, they must say a lyrical. And when they, you see me? I saw them used to mix up. We gradually get confirmed and all we start move together, Shellstone, everywhere we go.
Nice. So Uglyman verse Little John is the second album.
Yeah.
And that
And that's it. Because I do Wolpa 45 after that. I do have some song where I go Wolpa places. I like tune like DJ there when I do for
DJ
with it.
there. DJ there a big tune, man.
Yeah, man. And I do I forget a hit too. I forget a hit. I forget a hit. I forget. And all them songs there. You see me?
So after your voice, Little John versus Uglyman, how long after that you remain around RG?
Now, when I go up on tour now and I come back now.
Which year was that?
When we come back 93, you know. So when we come
So
back.
when you left on tour, when you go on tour?
86 and I come back 93.
Yeah.
So when we come back.
Hold on, man.
Yeah.
You go on tour 86 and come back 93. That's 7 years,
yeah,
brother.
Yeah, because I get me youth.
So that is that at the time when you
When
say
I get my baby,
you're
so
the
I say
10 years
yeah, I come down left far.
Oh.
So when I come down now, him lock up. And I say, boy,
Oh.
I say, ugly boy, I'm sorry, you know, I can't find my bank statement. I say, I can't find my bank. I don't know if I reality or, but I just listen to him and the place lock up for two. And I say, I can't find any bank statement and I'm sitting and hold sitting and. By the time I tell myself to come link him, but I'm too busy, I didn't even have the time for the link him. You see me? So right now, I'm saying drop out, you see me? Yeah.
So you are away for 7 years.
But when I them 7 years, when me go in, them don't know what going on. Because first thing, I meet one pretty little girl and I fall in love with her and she love me too. So we go on, we do it thing.
Yeah, well.
And I get a little pretty little baby with her, a little girl. So I tell me, so my mother, you know, I have 90 great-grand and great-grand. Right now, she's going to reach 100. You know.
90,
At
yeah.
I 13 away.
Yeah.
Reality, me I tell you, no joke. Miss Enid Crawford. She have about 90 odd great-grand and grand. And no, we are take care of her, where she birth, you know. I pay grandparents, I take care of her right now, you know. Me have a nephew in Miami, you know. If them a dream, say my mother sick, them fly down here, you know. Because none of them mother raised them and my mother raised them. Yeah. And then love them granny, they don't pay them mother. Them give them mother things, but my mother, them pay a lot of attention to. You see me?
You know them.
Yeah, so I say thing go.
So whilst you were away for that 7 years though?
Me take care of my little girl and see she a grow till me see she get there, I go to school and them things there. You see me? So me there for foreign, you know, and it's like me they go to Texas, go to Australia, you know. So Bronx, me live in
I'm
time.
going to ask you, were you still
Yeah.
doing the music?
Yeah, man, I still do music, man. Come go to Texas, go do a show, but it's like, when I leave go to Texas, you know, you can't just go up on the plane, you have to no papers and them things. Like, I left my passport, all of my documents, them in my bag, how I come, you know, the place when I stay at Bronx. So, I stay down there for 3 weeks, but I won't notice I go back up and I search all my things there, all my passport missing and them things there.
So I go on with that.
Girl, like she thief out, used to smoke work, thief out and sell it to people.
You mean your child's mother?
No,
Oh, okay.
some people used to stay with.
Oh, okay.
So the immigration, them sent call me one time now. And like them I say, are you this? And them I say, are you this? And I say, yeah man, I'm this man. And like them I say, them hold somebody travel
With the
pan.
document there. Travel pan it?
Yeah. A good thing me did have sense to go up at the embassy
man.
up at Brooklyn.
Go link them up.
People don't know them things, you know. I'm going to link them up so they give me one paper. Anytime I'm ready, I can come down. So when I up there now, one time I get frustrated and I say, people call me and they say, the song with the name DJ there, the song there that go #1, you know, I think there, you know, Gilbert come stop it, you know.
The 88
Yeah. So I say, you know, so when this blew
So
up.
that song was voice whilst you were in America?
State my voice there. DJ there, I have a song named English Talk, America, I do all of them. I depend on July later.
July,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So, you say, I do up there now, and I say, no, sir. I go dance with the DJ and things are going said way.
Right, so you still eat food there?
Yeah, man, but look here. The best place you do for the way you do music is Jamaica.
Straight up?
Jamaica. No man, there's some man say, you know, my song I release a foreign and rare. If him song release a foreign, but him song not play a yard. You have to there Jamaica.
Come, I was about to ask you if that 7 years away, if that not hurt the progression musically.
No, because them time I used to work regular, because I have a contract on a regular launch with a youth name, with a youth on a sound name, African Love. I mean, Shine and Shaggy them used to live on the sound.
Oh, that's
so
in New York.
Yeah, every other Thursday we used to go there. So
Shaggy, Shine.
Yeah. So, and the Rasta we won the son is a nice youth, he used to treat me good. So I just use that as my job. I know say I'm not getting in no trouble. But when it go down to 1993 now, me and Nicodemus them start driving all over the place and me and Cat
so you
too.
link up with,
Yeah man, me and Cat,
Demus
yeah man, I'll mackerel them too. Me and them are good friends.
Oh, you can mackerel
So
them
but me
there
there find out
along
Demus used to check me regular, you know. Cause him like my baby mother, him like my baby mother.
Nicodemus.
Yeah man, he like my baby mother man, me know man, but me never that make it bad man, just check him out my DJ friend, you see me? The more time he see me and he come in and I know say I'm in line like, but what me I go do about that?
Yeah.
Him not gone in the house with that.
Right.
So, I don't like her, so if he come and I say, yo, we are going to party a little more, I'm glad to go. Can rate now, we party together, but I don't like my baby mother, but I don't make it bad. So you know, you see me there up there now, because I get frustrated. Most of the time I mind the pan yard. I remember I tell them, give me a little paper for travel.
Right.
So I did it in 1993, you know, I say, you know, so I go home. But they don't take me serious, you know. I just pack one little bag, you know, and go to the embassy, and then give me a next paper. You see me? And the next paper now, I get a taxi, I go to Miami. I left from Miami, because it take me about 1.5 hours to come here. So when I come here now, them come in, you know, I have to go to Central. I'm in a deported. So when I go to Central now, I'm there, they look about and put me in a little room. So I'm saying, Mr. Crawford, go on home. And put someone in a cage.
So why them send you Central?
Them have to check you out.
Oh, okay.
That's why I come with the paper, I'm not coming with a passport.
Okay, me understand.
Yeah. But
Okay.
me they good enough. So what do you
good, be glad.
What do you know when I go back for my passport? Now, come that while I just want to go back for it now.
It's a long time that, brother.
Yeah, man, then put me for one chair up a passport office. So I sit down, so. And I sit down like how I sit down here now.
At 30 years, I don't know.
I sit down, so now, I said, we don't do that fine. The lady said, go and sit down here, so you want something to drink, and them things that talk to me like. She said, everything is okay for you. So then look more, I did about 1.5 hour. So man dress up in the night. Yeah man, you look about you. People say, yeah man, you just hand it to me, I kiss you in front.
Wings again.
Kiss you again. I say, yeah man, everything, we have wings.
Wings again.
Yeah, that's way. Yeah man.
So when you found 93, you know, what was it like?
I'm coming here now.
In the music.
That I go tell you now, I'm coming here now. It did that hard for me to ride back the rhythm, man. But to me a bad DJ.
Yeah.
To me a bad DJ, I don't make them things bother me. Watch the pumpkin them, yeah. And so I don't make them things bother me, man. So when you come from foreign name, Phil G. Golden, come vice me from a rhythm. The state boy, we take with the mic one night. Because me and him parallel foreign, and I treat him good, and I don't know what flying name you can depend national. And I do them something there. So, Phil G come down here now and I do one tune for him, say, me a them laddie, me a the girl them laddie, boy, Me a them laddie, 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 girl, them laddie, laddie. Boy, oh, oh, excess, X amount me a get. X amount a gal a pitney me a get. Excess, X amount. Me say, gal pan the right, gal pan the left. Man a walk and a screw up them face and a vex and now me tell them say good gal pitney they no forget. But gal pitney just show me respect, uncle respect. And that's when I go on terrible again. So me start go to arrows now. Get back in the groove and there are arrows all about now. Cause I want to know that go on good. I want next you'll come vice me name Firehouse Mikey. Yeah. Upon one rhythm again when I say, girl, you have a golden body and a golden touch, put the one in the ear, me girl and jump up. And that's when I go on terrible again, Firehouse Mikey. So I start blaming back myself in the music till me there up a Waterhouse now with grounded them, ghosts them and beanie them and all of them. Cause me and beanie them used to like that, you know, from way back when, you know, White Mice them and Little Kurt them and all that way. And way back when, and Yummy Boy all of them, you see me? And way back when, all that way used to part, Jesse James all that way. Little John them all that way used to depend on the hard course. So we are doing thing and wood thing, you see me? Yeah. So in the business now, we just keep up my thing and I say, I not stop. You see me? One at a time I don't promote time, because you know, the thing origin, yeah, and
no producer.
Yeah, because them not really real. You see me? Them, to me, some of the producers them become like a drugs them for go sell. Cause fast lane them living now.
Yeah.
But we now watch, them a watch money and business, but we watch a career. You see me? Yeah, man, we watch a career, man, perseverance, you see me?
So after you drop back in the place 93, you say it take a little while for the
Yeah,
thing
man,
to warm
it take a
up
little
back.
while, but see,
But then,
yeah, you see,
you
from
blend it back
93
in the
till
thing.
now, I never stop DJ.
Never stop DJ.
We do show till, we do show till we're tired. From up, we circle the world Jamaica. There's not a month or a weekend we pass so we not go do show.
There's not a month
Or a week pass. Right now in the present time.
Uglyman not go work.
Yeah, well, we not go do show. You understand? Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that,
Yeah, man.
Glad
When we
to hear
touch out
that.
on the hard course and a normal thing,
Let me
man.
ask you a thing though. That 7 years of father, Crawford, you don't feel like it kind of reduce the reach where you then have and the growth where you then probably
You
have?
know what
if
me
you
miss
do
out
your
at
yard?
7 years? Because you know how it thing go now. In them time when I there for 7 years, I would for man that look for me for dub plates. And with that I think when I miss out, them look
So you lose some of the food there?
Yes, they look food there. So when I forward back now, I notice that 1 and 2 man I come with me feed up them and you see me? And I overdub them 1 year too.
Right.
Because you them I not fight them man nothing, you know. I love them, you know, but for them dub now pass out a ferry. And for them song them 45 them play for 2 weeks and dead. That's why we have to survive. That's why we always have to survive. Because song them how we do. From way back, and them song them make we survive right
Yes.
now.
So when you forward back though, the thing did kind of start change over now.
Yeah,
from
man.
rubber dub style
Yeah, man,
to a
I start
thing.
go all back in the dance and man have all. Man have people have all come for autograph and them thing. Because I remember one of the shows we do, I watch it. Fidel Desmond Valentine and Joe McMacavich. I mean, and John did that too. When we done the show, man, the amount of people I write autograph till me tired. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Hold for signing till me tired. You see me? Even father's here gone.
Right.
Don't go and take away. That's a nice show.
Shillings.
Yeah,
So
man.
you started as a rubber dub DJ.
No, I know rubber dub. That's why me no go dance now.
Right.
Cause that's what them calling dancehall now. That's not dancehall. Me never used to go dance and see a girl naked, you know. When we go dancehall, you hold one girl, you know. If you go in a dance and the sound a play, you know. Any girl you book, your first girl you book, you know a dance to the man, you know. You know, like go that the girl, you know. That the girl good line up be a baby mother.
But when me ask you, say, me understand what you ask me.
Yeah.
You started out as a rubber dub DJ.
Yeah,
and
but
you have been
but-
in the thing with the change to recording.
Yeah, but you see them time,
Yeah.
you call it dancehall artist. And that a dancehall artist. When you're a DJ,
In
let me
the
tell you,
dance.
when remember me I tell you say we got a country enough time and we don't get no money and them thing there. But it appear way. It may not appear way right at them time there, but it pay off. Because them are youth nowadays, them never used to go in and dance and go, them don't know
them not get a school in there.
No, them don't get the feelings how for DJ upon a sound. Because most of them are computer rhythm. That's why them cannot perform on stage, and sometimes them advise a song on stage, the rhythm around left them. Because them come hardcore like how we come.
School, eh?
No, them come like how we come. We come hardcore now.
Yes.
You see a general treat and them you the DJ, a free with thing, so we deal with the thing.
Yeah. But you see me ask about 3 times, and me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, man, go
so
on.
me ask you started out in the dancehall, right?
Rubber
and then
dub
eventually now the thing changed to become a recording.
Yeah, man. Then a second we get to record.
Yeah, man. You know, man, what the question me ask
Yeah.
is the rubber dub segment and the voicing segment, you have excelled.
Yeah,
both.
because the
Which
rubber-
part you most comfortable? You
Because
prefer
you have to
going
go-
at the dance, go DJ,
Yeah,
or you like record and you go perform?
Because I say rubber dub, you know, because remember them time they pay rubber dub people.
Right.
You know, rubber dub style, you know. That's where I come from.
Yeah, man.
From rubber dub
Yeah.
to dancehall to record.
Yeah, man.
Because I saw original here, man.
So what you most comfortable with? Which part you most comfortable? Which part at that? But we just talk about.
Like dancehall and rubber dub.
Yeah, which part you love? Which part you most comfortable?
Well, I love the whole light, you
The
know.
whole life.
Yeah,
So you don't
man.
mind going to the studio, go mash up a
Yeah, me love it.
You don't mind go up on the stage
No,
with
sir,
DJ.
me
You
just-
don't mind in front of a son a DJ.
At that, me love the whole light. You know when you're born to do a thing,
Yes.
you not have no ball line against a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You just have to deal with it because you born to do music, you know. And I like to specialize. If you give me a one whole rhythm from way back when right now, I'm riding, you know. Yeah, man, I'm riding the rhythm.
Right. So next thing you know, so you're par around with man like Little John a legend and
Yeah,
everything,
long
right?
time.
You know what I say? And me ask you a question earlier and I want you to listen to me.
Yeah.
And then you answer me.
Yeah.
So man like John, where you par around with, like you mentioned Ghost and Ronin and Beanie man, all of them man, they are giants in the thing. And me ask you now, if you feel like that 7 years away you miss so far, if Uglyman would have a bigger name and a bigger presence in the space of him.
No, I not really think
You
so
don't think
still.
so?
Because look, you know, I always have my thing on a level.
Always what I think
Yeah,
about that.
where I'm in name Uglyman. You see how me dress? You see how me look? For me, it's different from someone image. You know?
Yeah.
So man, we all live on the stage right now and when I walk up, I pay nice, you know.
Yeah,
Because
right.
they know what me coming with, you know. Me have something for half fire. You see me, I entertain people. You see me, you're not going to get no
So that
rubbish,
7
you know.
years in the earth, not really earth.
No, me not, in a way, me not say that.
You understand that?
Because I don't miss nothing no time. Because I
Okay.
ever do music. Even when me there for me ever record. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing was my problem then time. Producer, them men are do it. Them men do no research. Them just do them thing where them feel like do. Me like work with a company, you know, record company.
Record
like.
company.
Yeah.
So have you ever been, apart from RJ, signed to any?
No, me never like a sign in part.
So how you going to work with label if you're not signed to
No, cause you see you have to know where you're signing in.
them? Right.
You have to know where you're signing. And like me tell you before,
Yeah, sit down,
you them know them not read fine print.
Right.
Something can write down there so or you're not reading.
True that. True that.
You have to read it.
Yeah. So let me ask you a question now. So, Ugly Lover, which was the first album, and then Little John versus Uglyman was the second album, and many 45s. And we say, we know you said that you never really make no money up front off of them albums.
Only money when me make like half of me.
Shows and dub plays.
No, and you see me copyright on my drive?
Right.
PPL.
Because that me going to ask
yeah.
you now.
PPL.
Are things in place now where
Yeah.
you're actually earning from those things?
PPL.
PPL.
Yeah.
So you get your statement
Yeah,
there, royalty from.
man. But we mean no. I don't make them send no money to me. I make them send it to my bank account. And I have all of my cards and thing them. So you understand?
Right.
Yeah. Love.
So publishing and royalty in place.
Yeah,
I'm glad to
because-
hear that, Father.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm really happy to hear
Yeah,
that.
man. But enough time people see me all in the street. That's a personal business. People not supposed
Right,
to see in
know
the
that,
street
right,
and
true,
ask
true,
them
true,
things.
true, true,
You
true.
understand?
So true.
Yeah.
That's important.
Yeah, man.
So you said that people are saying your Uglyman dead, Uglyman is still here.
Yeah, man. Me
Still
never,
working.
yeah, man, because I want to tell you a lot of people, you see I just so, me not ready for them touch them song, man. Like, because, well, me know a nice interview, you know how long me wait for this interview I teach. Are you name teach them, you know? Teach them. Are
Yeah,
you
man.
name
So the
teach
things
them?
when you say,
That message I reach
what are the
them.
things then? Because I must mean I know all things and so some things you have to tell me.
Yeah,
What are
man.
some of the things then where you want to talk about, where you want to put out there?
Yeah, because I want to whoop a thing I want to tell you now,
Talk
all
to
right.
me.
Like infants and all. Where I come from, where I youth and we're there in music. I hope I know say name them enough, sometimes you
Right,
can't call
right.
them name, but I say now to the youth them now. See? A nice thing them have to record some song, but record some positive song. Record song we can make you go over Ireland, we can make you go over Germany, we can make you go over Europe. 'Cause I Europe man one live, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she play music on the radio.
Okay.
And me make enough youth get promotion and get airplay.
Nice, man.
Yeah, so
Nice.
he said for you them just do good song. Cause me man, you know, me absolutely love them, you know. It's all Massacre are my favorite DJ, you know. When me a Massacre them, me get mad, you know.
Yeah.
And me can't talk something, you know.
Me don't get mad to what of a DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me can't talk them things, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Now I told me, I say, hold on there. Pretty girl, you have a hold on me. Say, nice girl, you have a hold on me. If you no see that, you no blind. Pretty little girl with nice complexion. You know, say her shape and body, everything it a say one. Hairstyle a say one, and girl, you really hot number. Eyes a say two, cause them a sparks and glitter. Number three, me know the girl a African daughter. Me really happy wonder she's a Cinderella. The girl wear one dress has so many color. You can't judge the book by looking at the cover. Oh my garden angel, make me love it a shower. Me sing hold on me. Say pretty girl, you have a hold on me. A nice girl, you have a hold on me. Yeah, man, the ugly DJ there, man, live and kicking,
You
man.
know me like the ugly man.
Yeah.
The energy up when if you have some man, you interview them and them a sing a song, you know, them is a sing a song. Yeah, you this sound like a proper,
Yeah, man, I really think, man, that's how we do it, man.
We rate that.
Them me not tell us right now, we not praise ourselves. But this set up, we fans them love we all about in our world. We have to give thanks. And we have to give thanks to life again. We have to give thanks to God too. You see me? Because without him, we are nothing.
Yes.
So, when I'm my performance, I always feel joyful to go work for people. If I'm a charity.
Yeah.
You see me?
Was there any time in the whole controversy with Pompidou where there was supposed to be a lyrical show?
No, you what go on now. Him do a song when I say Uglyman pirate him.
Right, that I know.
Me and him a good friend, but me never did a think about no cover like because me, that thing what me not really like.
Yeah.
Cause me don't want to talk nothing bad about him. Cause I could answer him long time now. If anything, me not more like to do a song me and him. But I would do a song more and me I go lick out against him. Yeah, man. So I don't kind of love them me having on me. If one man call my phone and say, you know, say, I want to pump it over him there. Me know if you find him, I just go for him and make him eat a food.
Nice.
That man, you know?
I respect that.
Me and him go do a tune still, you know. Because people are wait for it, you know.
I don't do it,
yeah, man, I'm time move up now, but I have a voice in a dance to the Me and him go do a song, man. Because I do it, you know. Because see me the youth. Some man that I say, I can't have nothing bad to say. Cause I listen to the interview with the animal, you know. Right. Not talk nothing bad, him speak very nice of me, you know.
True,
yeah, man, and I'm a general. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you see all the man them we are today, they have to take we as an example, brother. Take we as, a long time we unite, you know.
Yes.
You never hear we are quarrel and a cuss over and anything. They don't look good. Yeah. You understand? We're supposed to teach people. Are you name teach them, you know? The message I reach them, you know.
Yeah, man, we're glad for that.
Yeah, man, share them and like them, brother, and watch the views.
Yeah,
I teach them.
True. So what you might say now? So the signature song is probably Computer. That is probably the song where...
Yeah. That's what it's a night rider. It's like, anywhere in the world I'm going, you know, perform, you know. If I don't perform Computer, people will beg them. One night when I see them, people actually beg them. But they say you want to go on. They say the youth are blow, they might blow. Slim thing with them.
Right.
So I say, I go chat Computer upon the end just left the stage.
Oh.
But the youth just come with a bad vibes. Like, I don't know what that's for. You see me? And that I never do. Because you blow, you read him nice, you know. I say, no, you know, I go buy his Computer upon the end. And that I never do.
I never love that little energy then.
Yeah, man, about what people lick out on it, man.
You know,
but I just say, I want to them the thing there, see me?
If something we're supposed to, man, supposed to unite.
Yeah, man.
Looking at it, whenever.
Yeah, man, I read. All right.
When we see DJ again, because DJ I'm afraid, you know. Yeah. You understand me?
Yeah.
We can't talk to you.
Man.
You will listen. Yeah,
man.
We never love that.
Intelligence, we can't do them things in front of camera, man.
Yeah, man, it's a national thing to
brother.
like.
Know, man.
You know.
You see, well, that again, you know. We born and grow up in a ghetto, you know, but we father grow with good. Because if we do foolishness now, my mother just wait till we are asleep at 1 o'clock at night and just come sit down for me, you know. Kill with me.
When John get the mic back, you should then bring you in.
That make him see me. Me
want to bring you in
that me want to, you know, that's the one song me want to and come off.
Me never love you, brother.
Enough people love it. People that call me phone the next day.
Me never love it.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. But, you know, I want them there, you know.
After love said we.
Yeah, man, because me not going to have nothing against him. He must know what I'm doing, you know, because I love what we say, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Right now, if I put this to the contest,
yeah.
me tell you something. Me not see no man when I further in the music business, you know. Because me lyrically inclined, brother.
Mad.
Yeah, man. The Uglyman, you know, no normal artist. Me I'm a normal artist. I hope you learn from me. I have to call them name. Do all me sing them too.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Me just walk on the stage, man, and me sit me just start talking. You think I've been looking at me for years, man.
Just a bill.
I mean, they say, I will let out the dog them, and John, my voice it for. I will let out the dog them, Peter. Man, you let out the dog them. Me concerned about the dog them, but me worry about the puppy them. You know, so that the puppy them and them, I make the duppy them. Oh, you think dog they are, take a trip over abroad. Me see Asian dog, Panamanian dog, Trinidadian dog, Guyanese dog, Antiguan dog, St. Vincent dog, African dog. Wait, a smart dog in a yard. Me concerned about the dog them, but me worry about the puppy them. You know, so that the puppy them and them, I make the duppy them. I will let out the dog. Them tune in a normal tune.
Yeah, DJ there, you don't give me another tune there.
DJ there, you see. DJ there, say what? DJ there, man, modern singer. For a dance, the keeper and the William Center. His sound where you play as the dog, you 5 power. Who selecting the sound? No inspector. Michigan and Smiley, then combine together. Josie Will and Charlie Chaplin, them are right together. Who standing at the gate? No madman, the Linda, we lean mode, King Sisters, the bartender. Tina, the dance, they no want no singer. No liquor John, man, not a pinchers. Lieutenant Stitchy, and the one professor with Major Mackerel, him lean up in a corner. Brigadier on the bar, drink out the liquor. Can make all heap of money off and tune Mandela. Who no hear them name, I do remember. When them hear my tune I play, yay water. DJ there, me not play with me thing. Me not play, man.
Tune, brother.
Yeah, man.
Big tune, like.
I with the tune that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You did a song with Nitty Gritty?
No, them come, them.
Is that come,
yeah,
just put it together?
Yeah. Yeah, that them though.
Who are some, apart from that who are some of the artists that you have actually done collaborations with?
I do collaboration with Lyrical. I do collaboration with a youth from a band named Asterisk from St. Vincent.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there anybody when the music now is still active where Uglyman no mind?
No, I have a collaborate with me and Liquor John now. I got release.
Oh, in a release yet?
Yeah, no, about for release.
Release.
Nice song.
Yeah,
man.
But apart from John, because I've been watching your virgin from a time. Is there anybody who's still in the music where you don't mind do a song with?
Oh, but right now, I like to do it with a song with Chelsea. Chelsea. Yeah, it's a girl I know before she bust still.
Before she bust?
Yeah. See me, I perform enough place. She come on all the stage and I give her the mic. She don't remember them things there.
Oh, yeah?
With her, that's all I'm going to be. And she come up on the stage and we give her the mic. Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man. But I'm like, you see me, you know, we don't put on nobody.
Right.
Respect you for your career.
I saw you for go, man. I saw you for go.
Yeah, man. I like to do a song with her because I rate her. I have some song in her, man. One of them Dahlia. Then look good Dahlia. Then clean pretty Dahlia. Me want one of them Dahlia. Girl will look like Jada. Girl will look like Chelsea. Me want one of them Dahlia. Them clean pretty Dahlia. Yeah, man.
You in any old thing?
Yeah, man.
Uglyman.
Yeah, man.
You're in the thing, man.
Yeah, man.
So alright, so what they are saying now, say Computer and Night Rider are the two songs where probably signature songs, But in the catalog, is there a song that resonates with you more than the rest of them? That song they give which one?
Man, I'm going to tell you, so I'm going to tell you the truth. My favorite song, I want a song named End It.
End It?
Yeah, End It.
a recent song
Yeah,
that
English, new kind of English stock it name.
Oh, English talk.
Yeah, English talk.
Do a piece of that now?
This are the new kind of talk, English talk. What you want to go to the beach and see, ain't it? You want to go to the party and say, ain't it? Everything I want me say to girls, she talk about, ain't it? Me meet this little girl and she named Ingrid. Take her to the girl are British. A little girl that she not really English. Take it out, you and she not talk Spanish. Me love this little girl because she are British. You want to go to the beach and she tell me. If you Google it still, it's a nice dancing, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that are the song where you like?
Yeah, me like it, but I know it me love me most. Me like
you love
it.
the most?
Computer.
Computer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I feel love that song. You know why I love it the most? It do nothing for me, make people know about me. I could never ignore it.
Yes.
And that the song that make people, you know when me go in the world, if me do a million song, I can't come off I stage if me know the computer.
If you know the computer.
Yeah, and I love Donkey Ride.
Donkey Ride is on Uglyman versus Little John. How Donkey Ride run?
Lily was St. Mary with me granny. Me want reach a town, me no got no money, no true gas gone up, me can't take a taxi. And bus fare raise, me no got no money, me just reach a me yard and pull me donkey. Me give him a lip of grass and bang him belly, me give bucket of water, make him can't thirsty. When me reach up on his son and a thought to ferry, me just lick him in a 1 and 2 and put him in a 3. Wah! Donkey get up like any taxi. Black man and white man, Syrian coolie. Everybody gather up and them a loop on with. Yeah. Ask me what the name of my donkey. Me say me get me donkey from a Egyptian lady. Just to ride him to a far, far country. But the greatest thing me donkey always a click. I do not ride me donkey with no whip. Me donkey him pretty like any velvet thing got 2 pretty light pan him back foot a kick. Me ride him in a day, yes me ride him in a night with 2 big grandpapa me donkey side. Me donkey no use gas no engine oil. Free me donkey and be pretty grass off of the side. Donkey, yeah man, and them song them mash up place man.
Be here perform that.
Yeah,
Just show if I road a O'Neill thing or a stadium or whatever. Be here perform that.
A stadium.
Perform. Yeah. Bad thing.
Yeah.
So you have been in the business from late 70s, early 80s?
No, my first song when I did in 1979.
1979?
Yeah, but at 85 I get the break.
Which song was that you did in 79?
79, I was soldier youth from my community named Clive Race. Me used to be in the car and show me a bad artist. So him just take up here and panade and say I'm going to promote me. So he can't go to Tubbies.
Oh, so hold on. Cause you tell me say computer was actually first on your voice.
No.
That is not it.
No, that not, but true in a gun away.
Right.
In my life, but me glad for the thing, me glad for the experience.
Yeah, man, can I run a tummy that one? Talk to me about that, man.
Say, when me go on there now, them put on one reading them, hello Carol.
Hello, Carol.
Then time low range I stand with myself, love, bump. Me no write no song for you, you know. But me just go there, hello Carol, play, put on the pole and the pan. Love this, love bush. I mean say love this, love bush. I mean say, I will be hello Carol, you know, man. Me say, boy, Charlie was star. Me feel good, you know.
So that was the first.
And now you make me get the experience.
I lick off a Lone Ranger, Love Bomb.
Love Bush. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And I'm glad still I feel proud. Because you know when you do a first song.
Who took the voice run at Tubbies?
Yeah, but look here now.
Who took the voice run at Tubbies?
I think that, man. I'm going to tell you. Jammins the take it, man.
Jammins was around there?
Yeah, Jammins the take it. But you know, say, me feel good, you know. You know when you just, when Foley first, you know. You don't know when you feel like,
happy?
You know. Yeah, man. That's how I feel, brother. I say I feel both here when them in some little place like some little club pub and sit at the top play. Yeah, man, I don't play, but they don't play for radio. We don't get the radio play. That time they want to sit when they dash away a bush, you know. I'm afraid to go
pump it and dump it.
Yeah, that time they're afraid to go on it. So,
but you play that some
yeah,
little
man, I hope I play for all the place. You see me I sell some copy and you see me I make some money and I say,
so,
yeah, man.
between that record and computer, actually voice any other song between between 79 and 85?
Well, from start voice from 85.
Right, so I say no, after your voice that song around at Tubby's, you actually recorded any other song before you record computer?
No, that's
okay.
only song.
So the record is from 79 to 85.
Well, the hype web computer give me, and they might pay me one from them time, but I couldn't get it because them time, you know, we just try to make one here, man. Nobody know where and them things. Because a long time I DJ before I start recording.
Right.
This I go whip a place with sound. Like me tell them my mother all years. I say.
So you started from early 70s?
Yeah, man. We were DJ all before 70, before we start the tune. Because as a young stage, we go all about it sound, you know. Because that's a real thing I come from. That's how them I call it dancehall. But them a dancehall, you know, when them say dancehall and a dancehall. You see man a beard with champion. You see girl naked. You know a thing, you know. Cause you're out there, you know. Yeah. You see me? And I'm glad for you not teach. I dream about you not teaching. You say I dream about the interview before you come in, man. I can't sleep and I didn't get this interview, brother. I say I didn't get this interview and I couldn't sleep, brother.
You have to get the interview.
Yeah, man, I'm ready for where you are, though.
Give thanks.
Because look here, you see, all like me, you know, man, the amount of commercial with them supposed to have cut when this are showing, brother. I tell you, you know, because people want, I say, oh no, I really, I ugly this.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
As I said that, for the people out there who want to get in touch with Ugly for bookings and dub plates, how them find you?
They can't find me, man. Just Google Janos Production.
Janos Production?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just Google Janos Production. Yeah, they can find my number there on Facebook.
Your number there, but run the number, said
yeah, man. Because my number is 55, my number 545 3055. 545 3055. That's my number.
Mad thing.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
Yeah, man.
So, Computer, Night Rider, Donkey Talk, all of them tune there.
Yeah, man. Fisherman.
Fisherman.
Girl, which me love, she no love me easy, no, man.
And you keep on saying, girl, what she love. Girl, what me love, she no love me. No, Ugly Love of the song name, sir?
But I'm going to tell you one story about that now.
Tell me the story.
I want a pretty girl living in my community over at Tredegar Park, you know.
Yeah?
Pretty like money, you know. Pretty girl around there. Every man come and want him, you know. And I right in front of me, the girl live, you know.
Cross here, yeah?
Yeah, I'm think up front of me, like girl. Girl have tall, pretty hair and brown and pretty, you know.
Yeah.
I told them move from come there, you know.
Yeah.
So you see when me be there all night, evening time, more than 20 man down my gate, you know, because them just moving in the community. I said, what is father? So she start come over me house and her sister them now.
Oh, yeah?
Because I'm in front of me, right, I'm never up as this time, you know. I mean,
so them are link up.
I have some hot nephew too, you know, but me a general, you know.
Yeah, general.
So you don't know what I say. Sometimes they are out of the road and some badness thing, man, have all the knife off me. I say, me not go there. Me not go there, brother. But just damn yard and more time she look at you, just a prayer. So me start saying, well, I'm looking at them, they go call her. More time she down there, me sell all the little food, go get her. That pay me now. Yeah, man, till. Man, me say anywhere girl go, brother. If she go on a party, me not stop work till me see her. So
yeah, they love her for
yeah, me love her for true, man. Rosie, man. I know our people them know. Yeah, our sister them know right now them out in the video, them a laugh. And me there, me I say, no, sir, what this for me? That party and me say she have war with different man, and I said, no man, I'm name Uglyman. I feel a pretty girl and brother. Uglyman and a pretty girl.
And a pretty girl. Balance,
right. And we there one dance in my community one night, and the sister them there. I just want to make her start sing for the Shankai shake, and I say, the girl that we be love, but she don't love me. Me say the girl we be love, she don't love me. Cause she talk about me black and me too ugly. She said, Uglyman, you look like chimpanzee. She said she would not want me to love my money. Boy, take out your teeth and suck it tidy. Do me, take them out and put in ivory. Watch pretty Rosie a run come at me. I know when the girl can really kiss me. For when she kiss me, she get protein. I mean, I said that the fish out of fish free. Me say me sit and the milk a can. Yeah, man, after me I go on, man, I pay things like school room, I wash up, brother. And then need them to get Rosie, brother.
You're winning.
Yeah, with Rosie, brother. Yeah, man. Deep arc history.
My thing, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Rosie, big up yourself.
I want to look a brother coming up, get one of your sister.
That's what I think from
Yeah,
the
man.
right across the street, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
We know that line up there
Yeah,
still.
man. Yeah, man, a real thing, man.
We don't get into
Yeah,
that.
man, that's true.
Yeah, so.
The music we are talking about.
Yeah, music.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Music we are
Yeah,
talking
man. Like what you do now. people like we forgot, you know, enough people, you see this highlight back a whole lot of people in the world. What you would do? And them things
It's a joy, man.
yeah, because of them things me want to talk about, because more time when I check it out, I watch, you think them, I watch whole of my friend in the interview, and I say, boy, I don't know, need this interview, yeah, you know. Because, you know, I hope I will forget, you know.
Yeah.
I get with there, I do the work, you know. But we not really, people not really, that's what I tell you, people not really do them research. Because we're there, you know. We're there in the media, we're there all about the globe. Because if you check WhatsApp, if you check YouTube, if you check Instagram, we're there on the whole lot of things, but sometimes people don't know them research. See me? Like, people want me out of Japan, you know. And people are asking me and them say, you know, saying crack out in Jamaica, me never smoke for me. Not drugs.
And then see a crack out?
Yeah, man, and I pay her. Man come from New York, come tell me, say, you're a man, I tell him, say, where ugly them? I say, I climb a kitchen, you know. So I say, what kind of thing? I say, mad out, I climb, me no man make you mad. Me ever there, I do my thing, clean, nice, I'm in the general part. We no stop the show. So, I want all of my fans them out in the world to know, say, yo, all I know what to do no research some artists. Because, you see, like Merciless guy now, I have to mention them, you know. Yeah, much a good things when me hear them talk about me. We want to get them things that we are like. We want to get them, give us some props. You understand? No wait till them time again, I come over to Park with one big, one some more per sound and some enough money. All when me never used to get in, when in real life, I come to me know what I going to do with it. Give you them props, man.
Flowers on your life.
Yeah, man. Make, you know, give us some props. You see me? Yeah, man, because right now, I know say, no, this alone what you do. My phone ain't going to ring like. Need my bell not go ring, so. Need my bell, it not go ring, so. Like how my phone not go ring.
That's a part of the job.
Yeah, man.
What we do.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I really appreciate more than appreciate this interview.
I appreciate the energy, brother, the vibration.
Yeah, man, and you don't even know, sir. You say, I feel all cold bump on me, brother. I tell you, man, I feel real because, you know, if you're a veteran, where you go through from back then, because we pay everywhere for all the artists.
True that.
We pay everywhere, you know. I see youth nowadays that just come up and feel like, say, two of them have a look at you. But for them song not going to win, you know. For them song not pass the airport. You can't go in the airport corner, you know. I mean, I like them pass the airport and go pass the seat too. But them have to delicate and know, say, oh, I could stop him stupid and so.
Yes.
Because look here, most of the youth them, I don't want them promote no gun. They stop promote gun. I don't really like the gun song, man. Some of the radio man them when I play music too, them for looking at themselves and know, say, if we want a better Jamaica, and even Jamaica alone, and we want a better world, because God never make him world like this. He make us live in a happy and nice. Because if you pray the anthem and the bird them, you know, we should have lived like the anthem, you know. 1 million of them carry one piece of food, you know. Imagine if we did all this. So.
You wouldn't it?
Yeah. I love all of my artists better than them, you know. Whether small or big or large or medium, I love them, you know. Because I drive to see when the world are with me, you know. And them kind of love them we want to share in our business, brother.
Looking at the journey.
Yeah.
Father Ugly.
Yeah, man.
What is that thing when you look at it? For a youth from Tredika part, they say, I heard the music all over. You say, yes. You know, so I'm happy to say, I experience this and I do that something. Yeah,
yeah, man, I'm glad to know, say, real so far that's him. Because this is a real interview when nobody else in the world wouldn't come do it. You know. If I never you, the world would not see me again. Them wanna wonder where is this stage here. But you see, you know, that's why I have to tell you, teacher, man, again. You know, more than appreciate this, you know. This coming like a Madison Square Yard, me there, you know.
Square Yard, yeah.
One of them Time magazine interview me, you know. Or them everybody, you know. Yeah, man, that's my interview. This coming to me like
that.
Because I plan to come out and talk no foolishness. I want this interview, yeah. Forget one of the most commercial introduction right now. Because I ugly DJ this, you know. Laughing alone. Look at me. People in the world, you know, look. Look, I ugly DJ this. Yeah, man. My image have to be me.
Yeah.
I said where I look. I said where I perform. Said everything. Nothing changed, man. You see me? Because I can't keep public on stage, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Still.
Yes, man.
Full of energy.
Yeah, because I feel like me old. I feel like me young.
I see the energy.
Yeah, because age is just a number. You feel as cousin to all. Your mind tell you how you feel in your body and yourself, because you know, say you're structured right to take care of yourself. I mean, I've guys, them and them, Come in want to lose no more, my artist friend, you know. Brother, I don't eat good and drink good, man. Drink bitters too. Drink fish tea, soup.
Yeah.
That's a rum cup, man. And then boom. And then all the thing that we are going to get frustrated. You see me? Because there's something might come in our life sometime when we are doing so good, you know.
The question that we ask is that, you know, what other thing there were, when I look on it, you really and truly feel proud of it along the musical journey, say yes.
Yeah, man, and you make me feel like, say, you see right now, and now me I got the tune.
I know you got the
You see this interview here?
Yeah.
And now people can listen to ugly production after production. Because they don't hear the best of me yet, you know. Me just a start.
Just a start. I just said that.
Yeah, man.
Musically, where Uglyman not really grasp it or achieve it, where I'm still hope for add to him
some more touring and
some more touring.
achieve some more things in life.
Yes, as I said, touring.
Live more, you know?
Yeah.
And we don't agree in our, we just want some more. Some more, yeah, we want some more exposure and some more, yeah, man, some more. You understand?
You're not going to short of exposure after this still.
Yeah.
Speaking about touring, where are some of the places you have gone to work, to perform though?
Trinidad, Bermuda.
In Bermuda, in your place, man.
Yeah, New York.
Yeah.
And I go Virgin Island. I go a couple places.
When you reach Europe side yet?
Yeah, I forgot Europe, but just through the pandemic. Yeah. Yeah. But I know I'm going to reach, you know? Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. All we have to do, just not bother rush it. Because what is for you, you know? And John know what I'm doing, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You said that things are in place, really.
Yeah, man.
The publishing and royalties.
Yeah.
We're glad
because
to
I keep in touch with the people them from PPL, them keep in touch with more time them call. More time I'm just looking at my phone and I see miss call and I just messenger back and tell them and them I do that.
I'm glad to hear that because most of the people, a lot of them, you know, the thing is that, you know, teach, we get robbed there, so the thing now. So I'm glad to know.
You see, like when you touch a partner, it's an important part to touch, because that me not going to tell you now, you know. You see, now them there, the producer, him claims, me, all right, me do an album. Him don't know when me write my album. I get him
claim, right?
Yeah, but
credit.
him name that everyone I sang them. So you know, when people them say to me from copyright, say, how come you could have an album and every song you do, the producer, you and him still don't write your song then? I said, no, that's not what them do.
Yeah.
For cheat, we. You see me, that's why more time some of them man say, oh, them all artists and have nothing, but I know it appear we. You see me? Them not give it physically, but through with talent and God knows that we gifted and we deserve to get it.
Yes.
We get it some other way. You see me? But that's one of the things where producer them used to do. All the artists them. And sometimes you see all the man them dead and people are put up. And sometimes them are, see me?
Them.
Yeah, I mean, way producer them do the artists them. And the likes of them go to them use them life to waste. Producer them, they don't time producer them make all slim it them and they dead early, you know. Producer, you know. Make them take it to heart, you know. Because them are singing.
Right.
Yeah.
Me say that read slim for truth.
Yeah, man. Because I remember when the lady said to me, say, oh, Origi have every name. Every people name that on every one of my songs them.
Right.
So them know say I know him really write the song, them a cheat.
But things balance now where you earn from them.
Yeah, that's why PPL, me like them. Because when me not join copyrights, you know, we never have none in Jamaica, you know. We have to join it from England and you have to mail a letter to yourself. So when you come back to me get the book, me get all of the something them with it. And look a book like a passport. John knows I told me that. And me get that book. You see me? Right now when I join copyrights, let me tell you this. When we got to copyrights, they ask me whose name and what your parents' name I want. Because I lose my father a long time. Because my father then left 13 hours for my mother, you know. So I said, put my mother's name in it. You understand? And she used to, me used to live over there and she said, come with grocery. And people have to call her and tell her, she old, stop do it. Because I never really need she come from where I'm in pen. Because them she live on me pen and get copyrights and come buy grocery car come. So, you see me? Right now, I give thanks because they also them purchase at end. So I don't tell people them thing there. They also them purchase at end, so my copyrights money.
Man.
Yeah, because I have a fair name, I go to me. But me don't know. Anything me I don't know. Me have my card, my MCD card. Me just do lodging, make them. If anything me I get a thing, me don't really want it. Just put in a bank for me.
Mad thing.
And my card, you see me? Yeah.
What the man favorite rhythm?
Boy, well, I rhythm them in the world, you know. Give me all kind of rhythm.
Any rhythm?
Any rhythm, man.
There must be a rhythm where the other one that different.
If I'm a rock and roll, brother, give me. If I must find sitting pan him to make people move them foot.
Any rhythm?
Yes, man. When you so you're born as an entertainer.
Yeah,
Remember me tell you, you're an entertainer, brother. I don't want you play a rhythm and you tell them and say, I don't want it, no.
Any rhythm?
Go and just go and work with it, man. Cause that's a free work, cause that's what they have for.
How many children the man have?
Well, me have my son and me have my big daughter and me have my daughter. 3 of them again.
3 of them?
Out of 4, but one boy did die, you see me?
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah.
Sorry to
But
hear
me
that.
have my son now, my last son when I get now, him just got graduate a couple of years now, didn't tell him going now.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
The man, Uglyman married?
No, sir.
What do you mean
I
no,
soon
sir?
find my wife, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Soon find, me soon deal with that.
That's how we deal with that.
Yeah.
That's how we deal with that.
Yeah.
So Uglyman still out here, still doing it, still loving it.
Never stop. Always.
You said that
Yeah,
you
man.
never leave music
stop.
for
Never,
a day.
never left music.
So is there
See me?
anything
And I just show more time, you know, people, what people that do them research, people that like forget contact with me. But you know what, you know, because in this thing, enough people now have no time for, you see me?
Right.
Yeah, and a technology, I run the world now, so if you want to find me, you have to go search Google,
Right.
you must see something about me.
But the
So
question,
you must get
the question
contact.
that I ask is, you say
Yeah.
you never leave music for a day.
No, sir.
Is there anything where Uglyman love enough though, other than music, where we then do for feed him family, if I never music him do all these years?
Yeah. Well, you touch a good point now. You see me? That's a very good point to touch, because I always say, you know, say, I have it certain way, real estate, man, I really
Real
do, you know.
estate. Can't look
Always
for that.
Yeah, man, that me
So
really
you love
tell-
real estate?
Yeah, man, that me tell myself, say, man. If I'm for join with the government, but me like real estate.
Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
I like real estate, man.
That does
So,
say.
me have a niece, and them things that she do.
That
you
you
know.
do.
Yeah. And she buy the place, buy the land and build the house, yeah, man.
And tell them off,
Yeah.
I rent them out.
Yeah.
See the man, see the man. It's a joy if you hear the man passion. We don't know what to hear.
I want dog, man.
Yeah. A long time today. Probably a dog is man. I know what you go.
Black hair.
I don't block you the next one. Yeah. So it's a joy to hear the passion in the man's voice and I see and I feel the love of the man still
Yeah,
have
man,
for
a
the
real
thing.
thing, man.
You understand? And,
Yeah,
and
man.
even though Uglyman don't have the biggest name in the thing, you're still there represent, you're
Yeah,
still
man,
there
I'm-
put food on the
Yeah,
table.
man, I have a
And
large
still
name
enjoy.
still. I have a large name still.
Yeah, we don't say no,
Yeah,
but we
yeah,
have to
yeah.
compare to
Yeah,
some
man,
man.
yeah, man, I really think I thought, man. It's like we don't get the e-culture where if we really forget what we deserve.
Right.
Yeah. See me, but I just one of them things there, see me?
Mad thing,
Yeah, man, we never give up, you know.
Never give up.
See me? Bob Marley, they just a sing tune, you know. Him just a sing tune. Him never did him a watch money.
Just a sing
Yeah,
tune.
me listen to an interview them, you know. The man say just a sing tune, brother, because him have a love for tune. He say money will come, you see me? Yeah, man, that's how we pray thing. We not really put vanity in front of it, you know, 'cause we love people more than anything else, you know. We really love music, and the music with all of our life, you know, so we delicate it, you know, represent for people, you know, see me?
Mad
Yeah, man,
thing.
I love all of my fans in the world. me have to
That
love
means I
them.
tell us if your fans them out there, what you have to tell them.
Yeah,
say.
man, I want to tell all of my fans them in the world, whether you're not there in England, Canada, Jamaica, America, anywhere there in the world, may I say, give thanks and praise. Ugly DJ telling us to love him and keep on following me and teach them. Always I teach them. And I like, share, brother. And
Them
check
feel
the
that for
views
true.
and them
Yeah,
things.
man.
I teach them, always I teach them. And many more teaching left to come
True.
from teach them.
Watch this,
Yeah, man.
watch this ugly. Is there anything along the musical journey where you then do differently if you get a chance to redo the journey? You have any regrets along the journey?
No, I no regret about music. Anything happen, it will happen. Cause you say to me a band star,
Yeah.
me know, them can't stop the star, you know. My star shine well bright, you know.
Yeah, man.
I mean him Uglyman, you know. Yeah, man.
So no regret?
No, sir. Ugly DJ with a rock star voice. What me doing work? No, sir, I'm grateful. Give thanks to the Most High.
Brother.
Yeah, man.
Me enjoy this to
Yeah,
the
man.
fullest. I don't have to let
Yeah, man,
no
to the
lie.
max.
Yeah, man. Me enjoy
You know, I
this.
wish you could have come back all tomorrow.
What next time, man?
Yeah,
So,
we do. We
as I said, just go on with the work,
nice,
brother.
you know?
Just go on
Yeah,
with the
man, big
work.
up yourself, teacher,
And
brother.
as I
Love
say,
it.
I see the passion.
Yeah, man.
I feel the man energy,
And one
brother.
thing I have to say, big up my place, Chediga Park. Big up my place. And to all of the item and the system, them, never forget to know what I'm talking no time. Because that's how I'm a foundation. Lyrical, yeah, I'm a general.
Heart of love, man. Heart of love, man. One thing.
Yeah, man, I have to teach them, make them know so the message I reach them, you know. All over the world, you know. And this is not special, you know, this is custom, you know. So listen, me, man. Computer, we have the computer. Listen, teach them now with the computer. Computer, go get the computer. Taking teach them now with the computer. Figgy, boy. Catch him every kid, they teach him every corner. Tell your computer rule up Jamaica, teach them. Computer, you have the computer. Fall off with the gump and shoulder. And happy the mother, one happy your father. I teach them days of really longer. So me come fi talkie nice boy. I teach them, you fit teach them boy. Learn them, teach them, you feel when them boy. Make them know you have the computer. 14 parish in Jamaica. Catch him every kid, can teach him he can. So computer teach him of the computer. Fall off away, teach him he got on shoulder. Visit the fable that the blue water. Doctor a move with the fiscal power. Listen, teach them now with the computer. Think teach them with video, think them on the. So we have the computer, teach them you have the computer, teach them computer, teach them with the computer. So 14 parish in Jamaica. Think we on the TV, think we on the video. Right on everything like a night ride. I make them know, say, teach them you're so big boy. Yeah, man, teach them all over them, I beat them. And man, cheat them. Yeah, man. Bad son, you teach them with the bad son. You say what? Bad son, you teach them with the bad son. Teach them, lick over sound like I'm a tractor. Dub them a fly like a bulldozer. Them a swim like a boat out of blue water. Mix up, teach them now with the night rider. Bad son, you taking the bad son, yeah. Taking teach them now with the bad son, yeah. So what? Bad son, you teach them the bad son, yeah. We a run over son like a bulldozer. Push over some son like a we a tractor. Run pan the sound them like we a monster. Teach them, beat them, teach them with the bad son, yeah. So bad son, you teach them with the bad son, yeah. The bad son, you teach them with the bad son, yeah. You teach them make sound just a kin over and some jump and sound just a catch a fire. Cause we run past sound like a bulldozer and just cut up some sound like a we a tractor. It up them a fly like a bulldozer. So me come to tell you, teach them the boy a sour. Teach them, beat them, teach them, warn them. Yeah, man, teach them. Respect. Yeah.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.